Dear students, we will study the chapter on jigs and fixtures. They are essentially used in mass production as jigs and fixtures are most economical while producing parts in huge number and requiring close geometrical tolerance and surface finish. Let's see definition of a jig. A jig is a device which holds, locates and guides the cutting tool. It is always used in mass production because of number of benefits associated with it. Similarly, fixture is a device which will hold and locate the workpiece but it will not guide the cutting tool. Let's see the difference between jigs and fixtures. You can see that jigs are lighter in construction while fixtures are heavier in construction. This is because jig has to be handled, manipulated, rotated and adjusted with human hand. Hence, if jigs are lighter in weight, it is easy to shift or locate or move jigs on machine table during operations. Fixtures are always fixed on machine table. They are not to be handled by hand movement. They are capable of undertaking heavy loads, hence depth of cut taken can be more. Hence finds wide application in operations like turning, welding, boring, broaching, etc. Slide 5 shows a simple construction of jig with workpiece located on locating pins. There is drill bush to guide the cutting tool, that is drill over here, passing through top of the jig plate. The jig used here is for simple drilling operation. Slide 6 shows a simple fixture mounted or fixed on milling machine table. The workpiece is well located by locator pins. There is cutter too shown in the slide. The cutter will machine here top surface of the workpiece. Depth of cut can be adjusted by setting block. Let's discuss some uses or application of jigs and fixtures. As mentioned earlier, it is most economical for mass production. You don't have to go for repetitive setting and marking time for every component. It is taken care of by jigs and fixtures. Semi-skilled and unskilled workers are capable of working with jigs and fixtures. Operations are minimized and simplified. Jigs and fixtures increases the machining accuracy. Figure shows channel jig. Channel jig is named because it is made from channel. The workpiece is located underneath, or let's say channel jig rests upon the workpiece. The side clamping screw helps in clamping. Accurate holes are drilled from the top. The figure is self-explanatory. Figure shows channel jig. Channel jig is named because it is made from channel. The workpiece is located underneath, or let's say channel jig rests upon the workpiece. The side clamping screw helps in clamping. Accurate holes are drilled from the top. The figure is self-explanatory. Slide 11 shows box jig. It is used when you are supposed to drill holes on three mutually perpendicular surfaces or similar conditions. Drill bushes are placed on three surfaces of the box jig. Proper jig feet are provided on three sides. The box jig is lighter in weight because of need of frequent handling. More about box jig in my next lecture. Let's summarize about benefits and advantages of jigs and fixtures. Jigs and fixtures are economical in mass production work. They are excellent time-saving devices giving accurate production and productivity. They are helpful in reducing fatigue of workers or laborers. Semi-skilled or unskilled worker can also do the job. They reduce individual setting up time and marking time. Hope you have seen and learned all the advantages of jigs and fixtures. In next lecture, we would concentrate more on specific types of jig and fixtures and its practical applications.